Hi, this is Reggie Barroza again. Now I play Part 3 as a Rebecca and deploy the code. Let's use the deploy. First, we saw the building was successful. What I want to do is create a package, and I want to package some work items. The one that we did fix before, and the other one about some menus on the screens. And two work items, and those are the elements that are going to be packaged and push for urban code deploy. Just go and say finished. Now the packaging is taking place. Once the package is complete, you're going to be able to see the content on the urban code deploy. The package is complete. We can see the results. This is the package summary, adding those work items. And if you want to see the log, you're gonna see exactly when it moved to the urban code. Basically, I have an urban code component with this name, and I create a version with this name here, and everything is packaged in here. So let's go and check. This is my component. If I click on versions, if I do a refresh, I should see here the version I just created right now, and you can see all the members that are piece of this version that are packaged on the zip file. Now let's deploy the application. This application has three elements. One is our Windows mobile. That's the one I like to show a little bit here. Basically, it's using RESTful services to the ZOS. I can get some data, and there is some graphics I can play around, and even I could ask it to Watson using a Bluemix component. That's an iPhone, as you can see, because it turns around. So basically, I'm going to deploy this iPhone in some other Windows, and this for my CICS. Let's see the CICS application, or I'm sorry, the CICS component. That's what I'm going to do here. Make a new copy. Also, I'm going to do a bind. In order to run this deploy, I just select the platform I like to deploy. First, I select the environment I like to deploy. What are the processes that I like to run? What versions I like to run? Let's say all the versions available. Probably I don't want to deploy this one here. I did already. I just want to deploy this component here. So I say OK and say submit. And now the agents are taking place. If you see, let me show the agents I have running here. I have different agents. If I click on resource agents, this is my ZOS agent. These are Windows agent, and this is another Windows, and this is a Linux agent. So basically, I'm going to deploy it here and here as well. Let's gonna go back to the deploy. That's my Windows. Windows has been already deployed, and this is the ZOS. ZOS is still running. So let's show the Windows first. If I go to my Windows VMware, and that's my Windows VMware where I just deploy. As you see, I have a mobile server running here If I do a refresh, you just see the application I just deployed right now, 8 p.m. Those are the adapters. If I do a refresh on the application center, that's the component that you download to your mobile. If I do a refresh, you see here that has been deployed. Let's go and see the CICS. CICS is still running. I could check maybe the component that has the DB2. Where is my DB2? This one here. That's a package, the plan. I'm sorry, binding a package and binding a plan. And that's the results of the JCL that has been submitted. And you see here, everything was fine. And I should get the package done. The CICS component, I copy all the components to my new CICS because that's my developed CICS, and this is the new copy. So next is try. Go to my the other 6 I just deployed and type the transaction here. Add medication, patient ID. Let's put number 1 and drug. Blah blah blah. Medication has been added. So I fixed the problem. Thank you.